Huh. Newsflash. Your company has already tested AI. You just weren't in the room. Across industries, leadership teams are quietly running pilots. HR is modeling workforce scenarios. Operations is measuring cycle time reductions. Finance is calculating cost per output with automation layered in. No announcements, no dramatic memos, just spreadsheets. And when some employees find out, it's during a restructuring conversation, not during the planning phase. Here's what displacement actually looks like. It's not a robot replacing you overnight. It's your workload subtly narrowing. It's a role that doesn't get backfilled. It's an optional AI tool that quietly becomes expected. It's new performance metrics that assume automation is part of your process. Corporate change rarely arrives as a shockwave. It arrives as a gradual reallocation of value. Most professionals miss the signals because they're waiting for something obvious. So here's the practical move. Run your own audit. List every recurring task you perform in a typical week, then evaluate them honestly. Is this task rule-based? Is it repetitive? Is it information processing? Could software reasonably assist or complete this at low cost? If more than half your responsibilities fall into these categories, the risk to your job isn't hypothetical. It's likely. It's structural. But here's the important distinction. Risk doesn't mean replacement. It means redesign. The professionals who stay secure in their job don't defend their current task lists. They evolve what they do. They shift toward oversight, interpretation, strategy, optimization. The layers automation can't own alone. Your company has already run the numbers. The better question is, have you run your numbers? If not, do it now.